A simple roast stuffing is made and cooled. A whole chicken is first pressure cooked for that soft, tender meat. It's then removed and a simple marinade is prepared. The bird is carefully stuffed and the marinade is spread all over the surface before air frying this till perfect. Happy holidays from Cravings Food Adventures. Hi everyone, I'm Ahmed. Welcome back to my channel. Today on Cravings Food Adventures, we're going to be making a roast stuffed chicken. This is a Goan style recipe that you can serve for celebrations, also just for a family meal. It's super easy to make and super delicious. Instead of cooking this in my oven, I'm going to be cooking it in the air fryer, reducing the cooking time of this delicious bird. Before I go any further with this recipe, do make sure you subscribe to my channel and make sure to ring that bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Now, let's get cooking. To make the stuffing, I have some olive oil heating up and I'm going to add 2 slices, that's about 2 cups of pumpernickel bread. I've cut this into cubes. You can add any other kind of bread of your choice. Next, I'm going to add 2 cups of diced onion. Once the onion starts to sweat, add in 2 tablespoons of minced garlic. Next, I'm going to add 1 cup of chopped sausage. I'm using chicken, but you can add any other kind that you like. I'm also adding 1 cup of chicken bacon. You can also add regular bacon if you prefer. Now I'm going to add 2 cups of chopped mushrooms. Cook this for about 5 minutes till the mushrooms lose their moisture. Next, I'm going to add salt and pepper to taste. For spice, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of chili powder as well as 1 teaspoon of cumin powder. Mix this well together. Next, I'm going to add in 1 cup of peas and carrots. These are frozen and I've just defrosted them. Cook this for a few minutes and add in half a cup of chopped parsley. You can also use coriander if you like. Now I'm going to add in all of the bread. Now for a simple marinade. Add 4 tablespoons of ginger and garlic paste. Into this, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of salt. I'm also going to add 1 teaspoon of cracked pepper and 2 tablespoons of vinegar. Add in 1 teaspoon of cumin powder and 1 teaspoon of chili powder and mix this well together. In my Ninja Foodie, I'm going to add 1 cup of water. I'm adding my air fryer plate to the bottom of my Ninja Foodie as I'm going to need it later. Over this, I'm going to add the trivet. Now I'm going to carefully add my chicken in. This is about a 3 to 4 pound bird. I'm going to add it in carefully. I'm going to close the lid and I'm going to set this to sealing mode. I'm going to set this to pressure cook for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, I'm going to allow the steam to escape and I'm going to open the lid and allow this to cool. Now, the only reason that I'm taking extra time here is because I want to stuff the bird. If you don't want to stuff the bird, you can add your marinade to the bird directly in the pot. I'm going to remove the chicken and I'm going to move it to my board. When it's cool enough to handle, I'm going to stuff it. I'm also going to smear some of that marinade all over my bird. Once I have the bird back into the Ninja Foodie, this is now sitting on the air fryer plate. I'm going to smear it with the rest of the marinade. Now we're going to air fry it. I'm going to set it to air fryer mode for 20 minutes. Check in between to make sure that it's not getting too dark. If you can't be bothered to pressure cook it and you would simply just like to air fry it, you can stuff the bird, marinate it, and set it to air fry mode. Add 1 cup of water. This will take more time, roughly about 60 minutes, and what I like to do is set it for 20 minutes at a time so I can check in between. Keep an eye on the temperature. The thickest part of the bird should register to about 170 degrees. If parts of the chicken are getting too brown, you can cover this with foil. You can also use the same recipe and cook this in your oven for about 60 to 80 minutes till you reach that internal temperature. Serve this and enjoy.
Thank you so much for joining me on Cravings Adventures. I hope you enjoyed this very delicious recipe for my Goan roast stuffed chicken. It's such a great recipe to have for a Sunday meal as well as a celebration meal. It's super delicious and really easy to make. I've cut down my cooking time by cooking it in my air fryer, but you can also just roast it in your regular oven. If you love this video, give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment below so I know what you think about the video, and also let me know what other kind of content you're looking for. Also, make sure that you are subscribed to my channel as well as that you've rung the bell to be notified every time I upload a new video. And just for fun, be sure to follow me behind the scenes on all of my social channels. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and TikTok. Until I see you next time, do take care, happy eating, and happy holidays. Bye.